Hello, my name is James. Welcome to DreamIQ. I'm happy you're here today. In this episode, I will talk about my life, my job as a police officer, and some real stories from work. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and use simple English. Let's begin. I am James Carter. I am 32 years old and I live in Austin, Texas. But I was born in Chicago, a big city with tall buildings and cold winters. I live alone in a small apartment. I am not married and I don't have children. Sometimes it's quiet, but I like it. I work as a police officer in Austin. My job is very important and sometimes very busy. I work the night shift or Souch from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. What do I do at work? I drive around the city, I check streets, talk to people, and sometimes help with problems. One night, we got a call about a car accident. A man was hurt. I helped him until the ambulance came. He said, "Thank you so much." That made me feel good. Being a police officer is not always easy. Sometimes people are angry or scared. Last month, I went to a store where a man was shouting. He was very loud and broke a glass. I talked to him slowly. I said, "Please calm down. Let's talk outside." He finally sat down. I listened. He was upset about losing his job. Sometimes people don't need jail. They just need someone to listen. That is also part of my job. After work, I go home and take a hot shower. Then I eat breakfast, usually eggs, toast, and coffee. I go to bed around 7 a.m. and I sleep until 3 p.m. When I wake up, I do some exercise. I like gymnastics and running. I stretch my body and do push-ups. It helps me stay strong. Around 5 p.m., I eat dinner. I like cooking simple food like chicken and rice. My parents live in Chicago. My dad is a retired bus driver and my mom is a part-time teacher. They are both healthy and happy. I call them every week. They always ask, "Are you eating well?" I also have a brother. His name is Tom. He lives in New York City and works as a graphic designer. He is married and has a little baby girl. I love my niece. She is 2 years old and always smiling. I work hard, so when I have time off, I love to travel. I like warm places, beaches, and nature. My favorite place is San Diego, California. The beach is beautiful and the weather is perfect. I also visited Mexico once. I went to Cancun. The food was amazing, and the people were kind. I want to visit Turkey one day. I hear Istanbul is beautiful and full of history. Amen. I love helping people. I don't like violence or danger, but I know my job helps others feel safe. One time, a little boy was lost in the park. He was 6 years old and crying. I sat with him and gave him water. We found his parents in 15 minutes. They were so thankful. That's why I do this job. Not for action or adventure, but for moments like that. I live in Austin, the capital of Texas. It is a big city, but it feels friendly. People smile and say hello. Austin is famous for music and food. There are many concerts, food trucks, and festivals. The weather here is usually hot. In summer, it gets very hot, sometimes 40 degrees Celsius. We drink a lot of cold water and stay indoors during the day. Winter is short and not too cold. Sometimes it rains, but we don't have snow often. Spring and autumn are my favorite seasons. The weather is cool, the parks are green, and I like going for walks or runs outside. Austin has many parks, lakes, and bike trails. On weekends, people go hiking or have a picnic by the lake. I sometimes take my book and sit under a tree to relax. Book and tree. After work, I like to relax and watch movies. I don't watch action movies all the time. I see enough action at work. My favorite kind of movie is comedy. I like movies that make me laugh and feel good. One of my favorite movies is The Intern with Robert De Niro. It's funny and kind. I really like the story. I also enjoy old movies. Sometimes I watch black and white films from the 1950s. They are simple, but very interesting. Now let's talk about music. Music is very important to me. I listen to music every day. When I go for a run or drive at night, I always play something. So that is my life. I am James, a police officer, a brother, a son, and a normal guy who drinks too much coffee. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you learn some English. Don't forget, listen every day, repeat the words, and never give up. You are doing great. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to DreamIQ. See you next time, my friend. Bye for now.